What is up, guys? Chosen around here. For today's video, we're at Lenny's right now, and yeah, I am very excited. I am hungry. By the way, not sponsored by anything. This video is not sponsored by Lenny. It's not sponsored by any brand. By the way, well, Lenny's can't really sponsor me, but like, if you see anything, it's not sponsored by anything. This video is not. We're going in. We are in right now. There's a balloon person here. And I want a balloon right now. It's very noisy in here, but yeah. Lenny's. Yeah, I am cold. It's very cold in here right now. Did you find it? Hold on. Yeah, it's very old. It's also very and loud. So, yeah. I don't know. This is the last day in Tampa, and we checked out of our hotel, and we are now just eating, and then we're gonna go back and drive back to our house. But I don't know what I'm getting yet. I'm hungry. I got nice tea.
You know what it's called?
Yeah, I'm about to get the food. I'm so excited. I just got my food.
Ooh, that's a lot better.
I got some mac and cheese, and I got some French fries.
Okay, show Mallory.
And
the wonderful server Mallory, too, that brings it. Here you go.
Yeah. Shout out to her. She's very nice. At Lenny's.
Is your French fries?
In Clearwater. Yeah, if you come here, then just ask for I can't talk right now. Mallory. Yeah, she's very nice. But yeah, I got some mac and cheese and French fries, and I'm gonna eat.